Hey, Pete here from the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Wanted to show this information, excuse me, thirsty, about the solar eclipse that's going to be on March 8th. There's going to be a total solar eclipse, which is kind of unique. And I have some more information about the Devil's Comet, they call it, which doesn't seem like it's been mainstream news, even though they're talking about the solar eclipse. So stay tuned. And like and subscribe if you're looking for this type of content. This is a business, personal development, and I don't want to use the word prepper, but maybe a prepper channel. So right here, there's a total solar eclipse happening on March 8th. This is the path it intends to follow. That if you're within this red line, you should be able to see the eclipse. But keep in mind, the further you are away, the harder it is to see. And some of the strange things that people are talking about as far as the solar eclipse is the fact that normally it takes many years to see a solar eclipse. And this time we have two eclipses in the last 7 years. They're 7 years apart and they're intersecting in America, which, you know, now I don't want to go into conspiracy theory because a lot of people say that that's something might happen. Who knows, right? But it said on average, a total solar eclipse happens once every 375 years. Not really sure who says that, of course. That's what the article says. But in this instance, we're seeing one in a 7-year term, which is pretty unique. And it's converging right in Illinois here. Carbondale's a location of the northern quadrant. So a lot of people that are looking at these type of things, one of the things that's very interesting, obviously, is one, you get the opportunity to see the eclipse, and here's exactly where it intersects, and two, where the eclipse are, a lot of people have been renting hotels or Airbnbs or what have you so they can see it. So if you're interested, you have to stay around this path to be able to see it. This is where the convergence is. Now let's go to conspiracy theory. Do you actually think something may not happen during that time? This is April 8th, and that is the time of the solar eclipse. I'm going to play a video about the Devil's Comet because it was made very, very well by another TikTok person. I'm going to let that whole thing play out, and I'm going to give you my reaction at the end.
Did you know that on April 8th, 2024, during the total solar eclipse, a unique celestial spectacle will be visible? This isn't just any celestial event, but the rare appearance of the Devil's Comet. This intriguing comet, discovered way back in 1812, will emerge from the shadows, gracing our skies during this total solar eclipse. Its path will take it near the Sun, traversing the constellations Andromeda and Pisces, making this a truly celestial ballet. With an orbital period of approximately 71 years, these visits are few and far between. Around mid-March, it will be closest to the Sun in the constellation Aries, and will then head into Taurus, passing near Jupiter mid-April. This comet will be approximately 27 degrees from the Sun and close to bright Jupiter during the eclipse. So, what exactly is this Devil's Comet, and why is it making such a grand appearance? Discovered in 1812, the Devil's Comet, also known as Comet Pons-Brooks, is a Halley-type short-period comet. With an orbital period of approximately 71 years, this comet has been a celestial wanderer, making its round trip from the outermost regions of our solar system to the inner sanctum near our Sun. Come mid-March 2024, the comet will be spotted near the constellations Andromeda and Pisces. But it's during its closest approach to the Sun in April when the comet truly becomes a spectacle. It will traverse the constellation Aries and head into Taurus, passing near Jupiter mid-April. The comet has earned its nickname, the Devil's Comet, from a significant brightening and a distortion of the coma into a horn-like shape after an outburst in July 2023. An ominous sign, some might say. During the eclipse, it will be approximately 27 degrees from the Sun and close to bright Jupiter. Its apparent brightness around this time is expected to be around magnitude 5. The solar corona's glow during the eclipse might make it difficult to spot without binoculars or a telescope, but for those who persist, the sight will be worth it. On April 21st, 2024, the comet will reach its perihelion, the closest point to the Sun, where it will shine at its brightest in the constellation Taurus. But there's more to this comet than meets the eye. In 2024, a remarkable convergence of celestial and cultural phenomena unfolds, as if the universe itself is setting the stage for an extraordinary spectacle. Alongside the total solar eclipse and the rare visibility of the Devil's Comet, we find ourselves at the peak of solar activity, marked by an increase in solar flares and sunspots. This cosmic dance is set to the rhythm of the Year of the Wood Dragon, a symbol of strength, luck and health in Chinese astrology. Yet this is more than a rare celestial alignment. It's a cosmic ballet that may usher in a new era of understanding, a shift in consciousness, a dawn of a new age, the age of Aquarius. The awe and wonder of these events may open our minds to a fresh perspective of the universe and our place within it. Now let's delve into a theory that could potentially change our understanding of space and time, the uniplanetary evolution theory. This theory suggests that our solar system is not just a collection of planets, but different stages of a planet's life. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is envisioned as a young Earth, and Neptune, the farthest from the Sun, as an older Earth. In this grand cosmic play, the theory proposes that we are about to witness the birth of a new planet. Not just any planet, but our very own Earth. It's as if our Sun is pregnant with a new world. And the celestial events of 2024 are the first contractions, the beginning of the birth process. This theory, if proven, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. It could mean that our planet is not just a passive participant in the cosmic dance, but an active player in the creation and evolution of the universe. So, are these ominous events a prequel to what's to come? We can only wait, watch, and wonder. As we step into this potential new era, let's keep our eyes on the skies and our minds open to the endless possibilities that the cosmos presents. The comet's visibility will be best in the northern hemisphere in March and April 2024 after sunset. As the celestial curtains draw back, the Devil's Comet will grace us with its presence in the cosmic theatre. Amid the vast expanse of the night sky, one may need to borrow the eyes of binoculars or a telescope to truly appreciate its magnitude. The comet, a silent performer, dances across the stage of the cosmos, a spectacle not to be missed. So keep your eyes to the skies because the show is about to start. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you are a passionate explorer of the mysteries in our cosmos and eager to uncover new perspectives, you've come to the right place. We post thought-provoking videos every day, so don't miss out on any of our mind-blowing episodes. Hit that subscribe button now and embark on more awe-inspiring voyages of discovery.
So there you go. What do you think about the Devil's Comet and the total solar eclipse that's going to happen on April 8th? Comment below if you're going to watch it. And if you are watching it, tag me because I'd like to see some of the videos. I don't know if I'm going to go travel because I'm in southeastern Pennsylvania and I know I won't be able to see it here. Not the total solar eclipse. I'd have to go to the western part of Pennsylvania to be able to see it. But we'll see what happens. All right. Subscribe, comment, and share the video. Have a great day.